Now this is an old tool, an old Elu Flipover saw, miter saw and table saw in one. Whole lot flips around. You lock it then as a table saw. 1984. She's seen better days. Not starting, he says. That needs a new belt. Definitely needs a belt on it. Pull this off before I start her up. Bearings are good enough anyway. Nothing wrong with them. Anyway, will it start is the question. Nope. That wee hum might be a good sign though. May just be a capacitor. And the capacitor is actually down in here. Touch the two ends of the capacitor. That'll discharge it. Just a wee touch, or you can use a screwdriver. Then it's safe to touch. There's the problem. I'd say it needs to be more than 2 or 3 microfarads. Look at that for a cap. Use a Bosch too. Need a 30. So it's the cap that's a problem. Let's see if that helps it. Will she run? Sweet. That's the motor sorted. I have to find a belt. About time. One new drive belt. About time too. This thing's been taking up space in the workshop. I normally work on miter saws on this little table. Just a wee cheap folding table. It's very handy for miter saws. I've been sitting here waiting for this belt to come in. I've had to take in my tough build stands, throw a tabletop on top of it, so I can work on these dewalt saws. There's quite a few of these on. That's what we want. One new belt. Love when you're working on old tools. See the way they done things back in the day. Wasn't as much safety. Nowadays we have to have everything covered, especially with belts. Back in the day, they let you see the belt running. Not enough to get your finger jammed, but enough for you to see the belt and know if there's anything wrong with it. The belt starts to fray or tear, you would start seeing it here. Handy to have the wee window. Does she run? Look at that. Thing of beauty. No break in these things. Takes a long time for the blade to come to a stop. Nice machine. What a job. I do love induction motors on table and miter saws. They run so quietly, and that is no exception. Even though it was made in 1984 and getting constant use, bearings are still good and the motor still quiet. That is cool. All these types of saws with an induction motor, they were brilliant.